Hello from me and my donkey. Yeah, we're gonna cook today because the world is shit. So let's make some carbs. Today we are going to make Romanian Cozonac. Pretty sure that's how you say it, which I feel like I say almost every freaking time. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I watched several videos. Well, I watched several intros to videos, and the really funny thing was that a majority of them don't pronounce it. They make it, but they don't pronounce it. And I think it's because they're afraid to pronounce it wrong. I'm not, okay? I'm coming out here and saying it, all right? I'm pretty sure I have the pronunciation right. So, that's what we're gonna make. It's typically a Easter and Christmas bread, which, you know, I know we're not necessarily in that area, but it's November. It's close enough to Christmas. We're gonna count it. Look, if we didn't get a real Christmas tree every year, I would have been had it up, because that's the type of year that we're having. I just want, you know, little glimmers of happiness, where I don't have to think about the world going to shit. Okay? All right, cool. Glad we got that out of the way. So today we're making Romanian Cozonac. I said it with such confidence earlier. Cozonac. Whatever. We're making Romanian Easter/Christmas bread. Yay! Yeah, so it looks like we're gonna start out on the stove. So super fun. All right, so I've got 720 grams of bread flour. It's about 6 cups, but I highly recommend just weighing it out. I have my bread flour, and I'm just gonna add my yeast. We're just gonna let that, you know, combine for a little bit. All right, and I am going to slowly start adding in the milk and butter without making a mess, hopefully. Whoops! I was only supposed to add part of the flour. I added all of the flour. Shit. That's fine. It's fine. It'll be fine. It's just a little bit dry right now. That's okay. Alright, we've given that a little mixy poo. We're just gonna let it rest and, you know, think about what I did to it. Fuck. Ah! That looks gnarly. Okay, I need to add vanilla, rum, and salt. I'm gonna be real upset if I screwed this up. I feel like it needs a little bit more flour. Just gonna awkwardly put that in there, as one does. There's our orange. He's so pretty. Allowed to rise for 2 hours. Woo! All right. Time to do the filling. Sludge. Okay, we're definitely thickening up now. So I'm gonna add the last ingredients to the filling, which is some more orange zest, cocoa powder, rum, vanilla, burning. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna set this aside and let it cool off, and we're gonna start working on our dough. Oh, that's satisfying. All right. Okay, so I need to separate this into 4 roughly equal parts. My directions say to lightly flour, but I watched an actual Romanian woman making this, and she oiled her counter. So I'm gonna take a chance, and I'm just gonna put some fucking oil on the counter. We'll see how this goes. Oh, this seems so wrong. I also saw the Romanian woman, she didn't use a rolling pin, she just used her hands. So that's what I'm going with. I'm going for a little rusticy. This smells so good. You know those little chocolate oranges that, you know, they have at Christmas time? I'm sure they have them other times, but for me, I know them as Christmas time. That's what this smells like. However, I did try it, and it has quite a rum kick to it. I forgot about all the rum I put in it. My bad. Brush tops with beaten egg and allow to double in size. Don't have a brush, but we'll figure it out. We're finger painting today. We're gonna put these in the oven and we'll see them in 45 minutes. Here's what we're looking like. That's pretty good. It's still a little warm, but I'm impatient. Oh my God, this looks so cool. Look. Very swirly. The bread is cooked awesome. Oh, that's so good. Sweet. No, that's delicious. Like 10 out of 10. Let's see. Oh shit. See what we're doing next week. Ooh, okay. So next week we're gonna be doing South Korea, and we're gonna make dalgona. I think it's like a cloud candy type. I know it's candy, because I remember when they had the whipped coffee trend going on, that was compared to this. So we're gonna make that, and I'm super excited. We got 2 new family members. We got 2 super adorable little budgies, and I am obsessed with them. And we might be getting 2 more little guys, big guys, this weekend. So we'll have to wait and see. Hope you're all doing all right. If you need some comfort food, make this bread. It was really good. You might get fat. Not gonna lie, but it's really good. And apparently it's kind of hard to mess up because I didn't read the directions. Thank you guys for watching, joining me on another adventure. Next week, we're going to South Korea. So, you know, that should be kind of fun. Yeah, so it's not North Korea. Hope you're staying same. Hopefully we'll have a new president by the time this this airs. We'll see. Like and subscribe. I don't know. Comment something funny down below. Whatever people usually ask, like, if you were yogurt, would you be fruit on the bottom or stirred? Comment below. Okay. I'll see you next Tuesday. I really don't want to do the dishes. Do the Trump dance. I just want, you know, to not burp on camera. I got my nails done and I feel like I could kill a man with my pointies.